46. Filariasis is caused by. Correct answer is A. Wuchereria or filarial worm. Question number 47. Rishikesh is famous for the production of. Rishikesh is famous for the production of antibiotics. So correct answer is A. Question number 48. Which one of the following is the correct statement regarding the psychotropic drug specified? A. Morphine leads to the delusions and disturbed emotions. That is wrong. B. Barbiturates causes relaxation and temporary euphoria. That is wrong. C. Hashish causes afterthought perceptions and hallucinations. That is correct. D. Opium stimulates nervous system and causes hallucinations. That is wrong. So the correct answer is C. Question number 49. Which of the following is a carrier of dengue fever? Vector for dengue is Aedes mosquito. So the correct answer is C. Aedes mosquito. Question number 50. The presence of RBC in urine is known as. RBC in urine is known as hematuria. So the correct answer is A. Question number 51. Which disease is caused by activation of oncogenes? Oncogenes are cancer causing genes. So it leads to cancer. So correct answer is B. Cancer. Question number 52. Use of which causes destruction of chromosomes? A. Morphine. B. Alcohol. C. LSD. D. Nicotine. Correct answer is C. LSD. LSD causes chromosomal and fetal abnormalities. Question number 53. Immune deficiency syndrome in human could develop as a consequence of immunodeficiency occurs due to SCID or AIDS. It is severe combined immunodeficiency syndrome. It is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. SCID is a genetic disorder and AIDS is a viral infection. So the correct answer is A, AIDS virus infection. Question number 54. The fish used for control of malaria is A. Gambusia, B. Rohu, C. A and B both, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Gambusia. Gambusia feeds on developing larva of mosquito. So it could be used for the treatment of malaria. Question number 55. Polio immunizing vaccine was developed by polio vaccine is of two types, injectable and polio drops. Injectable were discovered by Salk and polio drops were discovered by Sabin. So the correct answer is B. Dr. Salk. Question number 56. Identify correct sequence of mechanism of HIV. The correct sequence of HIV infection is 4. Virus enters to macrophages, then viral RNA lead to the formation of viral DNA by the help of the reverse transcriptase that is present in HIV. Then this viral DNA attaches to host cell DNA, and this host cell DNA now produces viral particles, and then the viral particles attack further T helper cells and destroy them. So the correct answer is 4, 1, 3, 2. So the correct answer is C. Question number 57. Which one is not involved in mental illness? Mental illness. A. Hereditary factors, they are involved in mental illness. B. Childhood experience, they are also involved. C. Changes in brain, they are also involved. D. Rheumatic fever, that is not involved. So the correct answer is D. Question number 58. An antigen is the substance that leads to antibody production. So the correct answer is C, stimulus for antibody. Question number 59. The bacterium Clostridium botulinum that causes botulism is an obligate anaerobe, B, facultative anaerobe, C, obligate anaerobe, D, facultative anaerobe. It is an obligate anaerobe. So correct answer is C. Question number 60. Which one of the following statement is correct? Correct statement. A, benign tumors show the property of metastasis. That is false. Benign tumors not show the property of metastasis. B, heroin accelerates body function. That is also wrong. C, malignant tumors exhibit metastasis. That is correct. And D, patients who have undergone surgery are given cannabinoids to relieve pain. That is also wrong. Morphine is given to relieve pain. So the correct answer is C.